What's up, guys? Welcome to NBT Studios. My name is Tujin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about mods I've done to the Fostex Tx0 headphones, which is really just a Massdrop edition of the T50RPs that are really popular for its modding prowess. So these headphones in particular are T50RPs with a lot of mods that the community have done. And a lot of people would grab T50RPs and pay to get them modded. And what I found when I opened these headphones up is that a lot of the major mods were already done, but I did find that the frequency response wasn't to my liking, or was missing some components when I compare them to, let's say, my full cavaliers or my Sony Z7s. And what I really wanted to improve in this headphone was the bass response, change the treble a bit, and the mid-range. Now there's three cool mods that I came across, and I want to show you guys what I've done using three materials. And what I used was felt, polyfill, and clay. Now the polyfill I used inside the actual ear cup to improve the bass response, and then the felt I added inside the actual ear cup over here in between the pad and the driver to adjust the treble. And then finally with the clay, what I did was I added it on the actual baffle of the driver, and it stiffened the baffle, which really did change the mid-range. Now all the mods I've done, I'm actually going to be sending this headphone to Jay, and he's going to give his thoughts and impressions, so don't just take my word on it. Jay's going to be reviewing it in a video shortly. So with that all being said, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to repeat the mods I've done, and hopefully you'll get a kick out of it. Okay, so to start off the actual mod, what the first thing you're probably going to do is pull off the cup. Well, the first thing you're going to do is pull off the cup. So these just come off by pulling them off over here, and then what you have over here is the actual planar dynamic driver, and these four screws over here are what you want to take off. So using a small screwdriver, small Phillips bit, you can take those off. There you go. And there we are. Okay, so here's the polyfill I was talking about right here. And then here's the actual driver. You can see that. So basically where there's craters of empty space, I filled it up with clay. What this clay does is that it adds rigidity to the actual baffle of the driver, and I found that it did free up the mid-range. You want to press it in nice and tight all around. And it is reversible. It just takes a little bit of time to pull all the clay out, but honestly, I wouldn't reverse it. I think this is one of the major mods that I found online, and a lot of people can agree that this clay makes a huge difference when it comes down to these headphones. I'm pretty sure Jay will concur as well, so I'll leave that to Jay. But yeah, so it's pretty basic, and this is that adhesive that they have that glues this thing, glues the baffle onto the rest of the cup. It's honestly not necessary. I think they just put it there to prevent people from opening it up, or to provide a better seal, but once they're screwed on properly, the seal's there. But yeah, so that's the mod. It's pretty easily to do. Just pressing down clay in here and adding the polyfill, and then if you really want to tame the treble, add those 2 layers of felt, and yeah, have a lot of fun, because I really enjoyed this mod. I would do it on again and again because it really did change the headphone. And if you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. We might be selling the materials depending on availability and time, but that's basically the mod for now. If you guys like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below. Peace.